5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We're going to slide down the arm. We're going to go forward on 5. Drape her with the right hand on 6. Start getting up to stop 7. So now the right hand's going to come over the head and down as the left arm comes up. I'm going to start turning her. 1. I'm going to step behind her, wrap her up. 2. I'm going to step back to make her cross forward. 3. Step back in front of her. 5. Let go of that left hand. Catch it back. Low as I drape the right hand again on 6, 7. So now I'm going to open up the slot on 1, bring it forward. 1. Right away, the right hand's going to pull to make her pivot in place and change direction about the 2. 2. I'm stepping with her. So now on 3, right hand goes over the head. 3. Push to the frame. 5. I'm going to grab the hip as I approach her on 6, 7. I'm going to hold my weight. So now on 1, my right hand's going to bring her to my left hand as I switch the weight. 1. Now I'm going to bring her to my right hand as I hold the weight on 3. I'm going to lead her forward with the right hand on 5. Now on 6, 7, I'm going to step forward with her. 6, 7. The left arm's going to go over the head counterclockwise for a turn to the left. 1, 2. I'm going to push to the frame on 3. I'm going to pike on 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Turn right away to the left on 1, 2, crossing 3. Then back on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step forward with the right foot on 1. We're going to do a half a turn to the right on 2 as we step forward. Then turn to the left on 3. We turn on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a couple steps on 1. Replace the weight on the left foot. 2, 3. Now we're going to go forward on 5, 6, 7. So we're walking forward, we're opening on 7. Now we're going to turn a half back, so we're turning 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross by lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.